What's the meaning of bier? Bier. Bier.
Bier. Bier. The term bier can have several meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning of bier is a platform or structure used for carrying a coffin or casket during a funeral procession. Another meaning is a stand or tray on which beer is placed for serving, typically at a pub or restaurant. In some cases, beer may also refer to a type of lager beer that is brewed in Germany. The word beer has been in use for centuries and remains an important and recognizable part of various cultural traditions and rituals around the world.